Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 541. Final destination of that train is San Jose Deardown Station. Here she comes now. F59 PHI leading this one up. A Union Pacific train is holding up here for that. $716 is coming behind me. This one is a double header behind. Look, double header. Ooh, double header on 716. Two SC44s.
Oh, freaking 2007.
Oh, look who's back. It's 2007. Hello, 2007. And there goes 716. That train is a double header. 2106 and probably 21 something. That's the bad train meets. All right, this is 541 with 2007 with 6961 Portuguelo, replacing 2004. Up ahead, 716 is a double header. You guys gotta cross the track because 716 is coming. All right, folks, 541 is the party. With 2007, welcome back, 2007. 2007 with 6961 Portuguelo. And coming up next is Amtrak. Biker, get across. All right, folks, this is Amtrak San Joaquin bound train 716 to Bakersfield. This train is a double header. No freaking way. All right, 8306. Ooh, double header on that one, double header. SC44. SC44. Wow. Okay, this was 2106 and probably 21 something. All right, let's get a closer look. We will pause here. We'll be right back. Okay, folks, this is 716 San Joaquin bound train. Highballing out of here to party. Come on. 8306 leading off the cat car. '8306 leads off. And the Union Pacific freight train is now departed on the side of me. That's an SC44 Seaman Charger 2106 and SC44 Seaman Charger 2103. Double header. Woo! And there go that train to Bakersfield, head set to Ethan. Hey, why the headlights are on in the other direction? Well, anyways, they got that train to Bakersfield. Once again, head set to Ethan, Mark, Granite Rock, Matthew, and anybody else. That train is on your line. And they're gonna Union Pacific train right there going westbound. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Enjoy the rest of your day. No rain. All right. Bye.